Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question reverse nodes in K group. Okay, let me explain with this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the K equal 2. This problem is actually not difficult. We need to reverse every K nodes each time. So what we need to realize here is that we need to know the node that is K steps ahead from the current node each time. The nodes from current node up to the node right before case nodes ahead will be the target nodes for this reversal. So for example, so now head is node 1. And this time K equal 2. So move K step like 1, 2. And let's say this is a tail. So that means this time we need to reverse like a 1, 2, right? By the way, if you don't know how to reverse linked list, check this video, reverse integer. This is an algorithm you should know for linked list problems. So I put the link in the description below, so you can check later. Okay, let's go back to main topic. After we reverse 1, 2, so linked list like 2, 1, null. And then we have 3, 4, 5. And the 2 is a new head, let's say NH. And 1 is head, right? And 3 is tail. Then we need to connect like a 2, 1, null and a 3, 4, 5. And now the last node, like from 2, 1 is like a 1, right? So that's why we need to connect like a 3, 4, 5 to head.next. And the head.next should be like a reversed next K group, which is 3, 4, right? Because K equal 2. Okay, when we reverse 3, 4, so current tail will be a new head, right? And then we move K steps like 1, 2. So next tail should be 5. And T will be actually head. Then we reverse 3, 4. So in the end, this 3, 4 should be like a 4, 3, and a null. And then 5 is like linked list, but we have only one node here. And this is tail, and 4 is new head, and 3 is a head, right? So we do the same thing. So we have to connect 5 to like a 4, 3, right? And the last node is 3. So that's why we need to 5 to head.next. And then we repeat the same process, same algorithm again, but we have only 5, right? And K is already removed, but this problem K equal 2, so we have one shot, right? So in that case, we just return 5 itself and then connect head.next. So in the end, we connect 5 to head next. So that means 4, 3, 5. And then after that, so we have to connect 4, 3, 5 to head.next, right? That means node 1.next. So we return like a 4, 3, 5, and then connect this linked list to this head.next. So in the end, linked list should be like a 2, 1, and 4, 3, 5. So we successfully created like a 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. And then after that, all we have to do is just return new head, so which is 2. So return this head. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, if not head, just return none. So after that, so first of all, we move K step from head. So let's say tail. So tail equal head. And then for underscore in range and the K time. And in the for loop, if not tail, so that means we reach end of the linked list. In that case, just return current head. If not the case, we move head to next. So tail equal tail.next. And then now we have node, which is k steps ahead. And then, so as I told you, when we reverse a linked list, so first node should be new head, right? New head, like this. So new head should be, so we create a reverse function. So reverse, and passing the current head. So in like 3, 4, 5, so target nodes should be 3, 4, right? And in the case, first node should be head. So head, and we pass the tail. And then after that, so head.next, we need to connect so each part, right? So head.next should be, actually we call reverse k group again. So self.reverse k group, and then new head should be tail, right? So passing the tail and k. And then after that, just return new head. And let's create a reverse function here. Def reverse and current and end. So so this is so you can watch the like a reverse linked list in another video. So I don't explain detail, but like a prev equal none, and while current is not equal end, we continue. So next equal current.next, and current.next should be prev, and the prev should be current, and the current should be next. And then in the end, return prev. So if you don't understand this algorithm, so you should watch reverse linked list video in the description below. Okay, that's it. So let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is the number of nodes in the linked list. Space complexity is order of n divided k, or on. This algorithm is recursive. Each recursive call processes k nodes. There will be about n divided k recursive call on the call stack at the deepest point. This can be order of n in the worst case when k equal 1, but for the most case, I think it's better than order of n. Okay, actually, I have one more solution, and the next solution should be like an iterative pattern. And this is a first solution is a recursive pattern, and the next pattern is like a time complexity is same order of n, but the space complexity will be improved from like order of n divided k to O1. And I don't explain detail. It's your self-study. So leave a comment about what you learn. Okay, let's write the code. If you understand the first solution, I believe you understand most part of the solution easily. So create a dummy and list node, and we put 0 here, and head, and group group prev equal to dummy. And then, so first of all, while true, and first of all, so find the case node from group prev. So case node equal, let's say, get case node, passing the group prev and k. And then let's create like a get case node. So def get case node, and start and k. So while start and k equal greater than 0, in the case start move next, so start dot next, and every time k minus equal 1, and then return start. And then we go back to case node. And then if not case node, in the case, just break. If not the case, so group next should be case node dot next, right? So it's similar, right? And then after that, reverse the group. So prev and the current equal case. So prev should be case node dot next, and the current should be group prev dot next. And then while current is not equal group next, in the case, so let's say temp equal current dot next, and the current dot next should be prev, and the prev equal current, and the current should be temp. Oops. And then after that, so reconnect the reversed group with the rest of the list. And let's say temp equal group prev dot next, and the group prev dot next equal case node, and the group prev equal temp. Yeah, actually that's it. After that, return dummy dot next. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. Time is on and the space is on. As I mentioned earlier, so this is for your own study, so I won't go into detail. I recommend to break down the code, debugging it, or write it out on paper to understand it better. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with the actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.